Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a week in my life all of this week. So I have a lot of things planned. Like today I'm going to do my lashes. I'm going to the lash tech. So I was supposed to go on a trip outside of Japan, but I had to cancel the trip and I ended up losing all of my money. So my ticket money, I lost all of it. Like, I'm still so pissed, but I had to cancel it because there were so many things that I needed to do before leaving, and I have a 3-day camp that I have to go. I'm sorry guys, I'm right outside because I want a natural light. I'm actually about to leave in the next 3 minutes or so, so I wanted to just do this quick intro while I can. I have a busy week. I was supposed to be doing my nails, but because I'm not going on the trip anymore, I decided not to go to the nail tech because I have the gel machine. I have that at home, so I'm gonna just do my nails myself. And then if I decide to go on a trip in October or thereabouts, then I'll just go to the nail tech, because nail techs here are so expensive. But I'm gonna be doing my lashes because I like how, like, when I do my lashes, I like how it looks on my skin. Like, it highlights my eyes and stuff, so I like try to do that as much as I can. Yeah, but tomorrow I'm gonna braid my hair. So after I do my lashes, I have to go home and wash my hair. I need to do some treatments and stuff because I'm gonna have it in the braid for like over a month. I need to make sure that my hair is well taken care of before braiding. Yeah, and then Wednesday I'm gonna do some try on haul because I did buy some clothes to go on a trip. Yeah, hope you guys can see. Like, my skin is glowing, guys. Anyways, I always try to wear I use an umbrella because I realize that the sun on my skin, they don't go hand in hand. But I just can't bother because it's so windy and it's gonna blow up my umbrella. Anyways, what else? So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I have a camp that I'm going to, and so I'm gonna be in Nagano, which is I think it's 3 hours away from here. So I'm gonna be at a junior high school camp, and I was supposed to go to the next country on Sunday, so directly after the camp, but I'm so unfit. I'm going uphill. But the thing is, I needed to do a corona test and all of that. I needed to get a corona certificate before I leave, and then I would have to go to the government office. So if I went to the government office, that would have cost me. That would have been a 1 to 2 week. 1 to 2 weeks before I get the document. And I don't have that time, since it was only less than a week I had to leave. So I decided to just cancel it. Because I cancelled, I did not give out my card. I get back $10. $10 people then look at me and give them back after I spent so much money. But it is what it is. It was giving me a headache because also I'm in the process of moving. So I have to get rid of all of my furniture. Plus I need to move my stuff to where I'm gonna live and all of that. So crossing the road. By the way guys, I'm so proud of myself that I'm vlogging and then I'm walking and passing people and I'm not stopping. Usually when I'm vlogging and I see people, I usually stop, but I'm trying to be more open or outgoing so that I can, you see, I just passed somebody. I hope you guys can hear it because it's also very windy. But yeah, try not to give a fuck what people think. Yeah, so far so good. But yeah, anyways, what is plan saying? Yes, I'm doing a week in a live this week, so you guys can see how my week has been. I have quit Interact, but my effective date is the end of this month, but we're on summer break, so that's good. Yeah, so that is why I'm not working now, but I still have my part-time jobs, and I on Wednesday I go to work, but in the evening, so at least I have the morning where I'm gonna record. I'm sweating because it's hot here. So in the morning I have the morning to do some videos and stuff, and then the next day, which is Thursday, I have to get up by 4 o'clock because I got to prepare to go to the camp. Okay guys, so that's just me rambling for 5 minutes. I missed the train by 1 minute. 1 freaking minute. So now I gotta wait maybe, how long? Maybe 8 minutes or so. Waste of time. The train station is also empty because it's during the daytime, so not many people would be out and about, but also because the train just left. So yeah, So this is the before. So I started at about 4. What time? I started at 3:20 and I finished at about 4:50. So yeah. Reasonable time this time. Yeah, but it looks very long. So I'm walking home right now. It's still windy, but I hope you guys can hear. So the glue that the lady used, it was so strong, like it was suffocating me, and that's what happened the last time. But this time I decided, okay, the wind won't allow me to be great. Alright, so this time I told her that the glue was suffocating me. It was so strong because I could hardly breathe. It was so uncomfortable. I felt like I was laying down for hours. And I started at 3:27 and I finished at like 4:57. So do the math. I can't do that right now. But otherwise, I like it so much. But I don't know if it's too much for work. It's not showing right now, but it's very long. And I did like 180 this time because I wanted it to be fluffy. Because when I made the appointment, I wanted to do it for, but now I'm not going anywhere. But I'm gonna try and see if I can go like some places in Kanto, which is like Yokohama, whatever, and relax. You know, I wanna go to the beach too. I made it home. I'm gonna mix up some Benedict clay mask with apple cider vinegar and do my hair. And then when I'm finished, I'm gonna I think I'm gonna let it stay for like 30 minutes or so. I don't even remember. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes, about 30 minutes. And then afterwards, I'm gonna use some honey and I'm gonna put honey in my hair and then wash it out. Yeah, so I don't usually do both at the same time. Like if I'm doing a honey treatment, I want to do a honey treatment, or if I'm doing a Benedict clay mask, I do that. I do them separate. But because my hair is gonna be in the braid for like a month or two, I want to make sure that it's healthy and yeah, it's moisturized and everything. So that's what I'm about to do right now. The sun is going down, so yeah, I'm trying to make use of it. But I don't think I'm gonna be recording much. Maybe when I'm finished adding the clay mask in my hair, I'll show you guys. Whew, feels so good. The color in my hair is still there, but as you can see, like right here is black, so it's growing out. But it's still there, it's not so obvious. Yeah, it has been probably 2 hours and I have put the Aztec clay mask in my hair. I'm gonna go and wash it out right now, and then I'm gonna add the honey in my hair. And then while the honey is being like, you know, penetrating through my hair, I'm gonna do my nails. So I have gel and I use this lamp to dry the gel, so I'm gonna just do that in the meanwhile, because you know it's summer. I wanna look a little put together, especially since I'm gonna be doing my hair, have my lashes done. So you know, I don't want to be looking all crazy this summer. So I'm gonna do some self-care tonight, and then I'm gonna just call it a night. So I'll let you guys see the finished nails when I'm done, and then tomorrow when I'm going to Saitama to get my hair braided, you guys gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna probably just plait it up and I'm gonna wear it on the train like that, because I'm getting my hair done. I don't want to do too much to it, and I don't like putting gel in my hair when I'm gonna do it. This smells so bad because I have the apple. Well, it's not that bad, but yeah, it has a smell because the apple cider vinegar is in it, so that is why. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash it out. You guys really need to try the Aztec clay mask. It really makes your hair feel so good. And when I wash it out, I'm gonna come back, you guys can see how it looks when it's actually washed out. Like, it gives your hair like curls and stuff, and if you have product built up on your hair, this is perfect to help you to remove all of that. The shrinkage is real. Look at this. I did actually clip the ends of my hair like maybe a month ago, but this is not the true length. I have some honey that I'm gonna I'm trying to boil some water. I have this I actually got this from somebody that was leaving Japan, and I have this too. I have some more honey, but I want to use these because I don't want to use those to put inside my body, so I prefer putting those on my hair. And because it's hard, I have to use some boiled water so that it's easier to come out. Let me just section it so it's easier to manage. Still wet, but it's better to put the honey on wet hair. It goes on much easier. Just to see. I'm gonna start off with this section, but as you guys can see, look at the curls though. Can you guys see it? Look, this is what I'm talking about. When you use the Aztec clay mask, like, it really defines your curls. I don't really wear my hair out because my hair is just so unpredictable. But anyways, I'm gonna put the honey on it so you guys can see. Like I said, I use some boiled water so that the honey can be liquidy. Let me see if it's hot. Is it hot? It's warm. That's perfect. This honey feels like sugar is on it, like actual sugar grain. You can't see properly. So honey helps to moisturize your hair, and because I have really dry hair, I gotta make sure I moisturize it. You need a lot of honey. Ooh, it's warm. It's very sugary. Like, is this normal? Like, did they put actual sugar on the honey? This doesn't feel like pure honey. This is the bottom of it. Like, I've never had any issues with honey, like this brand of honey, but maybe it's because it's a guys, my phone just ran out of space. This is why I really need a camera, you know, because I can't bother with having to delete stuff every freaking time. But anyways, I'm not gonna stay too long, so I'm gonna just finish applying the honey all over my hair, leave it for like 30 to 1 hour. I'm gonna do my nails, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. What, look at this. Got the curls. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm in Saitama now. Guys, look at my hair. I did my hair like a kid, but I don't care because I need it to be easy to detangle when the girl is doing it. But anyways, I'm in Saitama and I'm about to go meet up with the girl that's gonna be doing my hair. She's at the best hairdresser in Japan. Like, literally, her work is so neat. But of course, if you want to make an appointment, you gotta book like 1 year in advance because she stay booked and ready. Anyways, I need to go call her till I'm here. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I'm preparing to do like a try on haul. So I'm starting out my clothes. I have 2 sets of clothing because I bought from Shein USA and Shein Japan, because like I said guys, I was really preparing for this trip. So I went out and bought a lot of clothes. So I'm gonna just let you guys see. Well, I'm not showing you guys in this video. I'm gonna do it in a separate video. But like, don't mind my messed up place, guys. I'm in the process of moving out, so like my apartment is super messy. Plus I have to pack for tomorrow, so I have 2 sets of clothes. So I have these. This is from the USA location, and then I have on this side that is from Japan. Yeah, this side. So I'm gonna record. You guys wait for those videos. I'll be recording, but I don't know what the heck that spot is, and like I need to get it out before the people come and inspect my apartment, because I'm not paying an arm and a leg for this. No way. But I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. So this is one outfit so far. Let me put it right here so you guys can see it better. You guys see it? Yeah, I really love this one. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go do the video, so talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready right now to go on the road to go to work. What's my towel in the background? But anyways, yeah, it's hot as hell. I showered and I'm still sweating. Like, that's just how summer is in Japan. Yeah, so today the plan is I have two 40-minute classes, and then afterwards I have like a drinking party, because today's the last day for this class. So, like, they had it for like 3 months, and today's the last day. So the students, they're adult students, so they invited me out to drink and, you know, whatever. So I said sure, you know, like, why not? Because it's not every day that I get invited out by my adult students. So yeah, so I'm gonna go after work. Boy, my place is a mess, guys. At this point I don't even care, but this is my outfit. I'm a big ass fan, so like, in Japan I wear whatever I'm comfortable with. Yeah, I put on my jacket. I'm hot. I want like a sleeveless thing, so I've got to try and fix it like this. But this jacket is very thin, so I don't have to worry about the heat. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to go. Alright guys, so I arrived at my work location and I'm on the 7th floor, so I'm going up. Yeah. Nana, so that's me. Okay. Turn on the lights. I am so I'm so paranoid. I always have to just triple check to make sure that I'm in the room, because this floor, it's mainly meeting rooms, so there are many different meeting rooms. There is one specific meeting room that I always use, but I think one time, let me take out my mask. One time we used a different room. Okay, today is the 10th. All right, yeah, so I'm in the right room. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. And this has like my material. What the hell is going on there? It has my material on the whiteboard right here. My material, this radio, and stuff, some stuff like that. Because I use, depending on what I'm teaching, sometimes I use the radio like an audio or something like that. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then eat, and then I'll show you guys what I got from the tour. Alright, I'll be back. My chocolate tea spilled. I drink tea, like hot tea, any time of day, and even though it's hot now, I still drink hot tea because I like hot tea. But anyways, this is like a beef cheese sandwich, and yeah, so this is my lunch. Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes before my class starts, and I haven't prepared my lesson yet. So I gotta hurry up and eat, do what I gotta do. So guys, I'm gonna, maybe, I don't know where I'm going next, like after this class, because I told you guys earlier that I have like a, let me put this down so I can eat while I talk to you guys. I tell you guys that I have like a, I was invited to a drinking party after, so it would just be me and the students that I teach, which they are adults. All of them are older than me, like much older than me. But yeah, their English is very good. Like, they are real, like they are professionals and whatever. So they invited me out to drink after, since it's gonna be our last time seeing each other ever. And I accepted. I'm not sure where we're going or what we're gonna do, but if I can vlog, I'm gonna vlog. I don't like vlogging people, so I'm definitely not gonna be showing them. But I'll probably vlog the food, because they ask me like what I eat and what I don't eat and stuff. Anyway guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. For memories. Yes. So this is a video. Yeah. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is it?
Fried or seaweed.
Oh, fried seaweed, fries, and chicken. Okay.
グラタンとなんつったって、あとライスコロッケってあ、これ辛くないですか？これツナ。
I made it home. Like, I'm so tired. You can see it in my eyes. I need to cook some chicken because I've had some chicken in the fridge for a long time, and I don't like to have Japanese meat in the fridge for too long because it goes bad. So I want to at least cook it because I'm gonna be away from my apartment for 3 days. So at least when I come back too, I'm gonna have some food. But anyways, today it was like I went to, like I told you guys, I went and got some drinks with my students. They are like all older than me. They're probably in their 50s or more. So it was very, very good. Like, this is what I want. I want to be able to go out with Japanese people and just, you know, just have nice conversation and stuff. So tonight was very, very nice. They invited me out, and that was, I think that was good. That was very, very good. You know, I'm very grateful to have been invited out. And also they wanted me to drink. Like, if I had followed them, I would come home drunk, and like my belly would be so full because they wanted me to eat a lot, to drink a lot, and like I had to tell them like I know my limit, you know. But yeah, but they're just being friendly and, you know, like, you know, welcoming and all of that. So I was very sad because today is my last class with them, and because I'm leaving Japan this year. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I'm leaving Japan this year. So I also you know, so this is, I couldn't continue because now they're on a break and they're gonna start again. So I'm not gonna be their teacher anymore. So yeah, I'm sad. Yeah, but it is what it is, you know. I have to move on to a new chapter in my life. Yeah, I feel a little tipsy because I've had like sangria and red wine and some other stuff. So it's like, yeah, I'm sweating too because I just came off the road. Hey guys, my hair is still popping. I didn't do my edges. Like, I don't really like doing my edges. Camera quality is not so good. I don't know why, but you can see sweat. I need to cook, and then I'm gonna go shower, and I need to do some laundry. So I have a busy night, and it's about, I can't even see the time, but about 10 o'clock. No, I think. And I need to, I'm trying to go to bed by 11:30, the latest. So I guess a good night's sleep because I have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, because I'm going to Nagano, which is very far from here for the camp. But anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah, y'all, it's after 5. No, not after 5. It's like 5:50 something now. I'm walking to the train station. I'm lifting my suitcase because it's gonna make a noise, and it's gonna be so not go so noisy when I'm recording. Yeah. So anyways, so I'm heading to the train station because I have like a 1 hour and 50 something minute journey because I gotta reach at the meetup point at about 7:30. So I should reach on time if all goes well in terms of my transfers, since I have a suitcase, so it's gonna just slow me up. Oh, I'm tired. Anyways, guys, how are you today? How are you doing? Tired already. Didn't get to eat my breakfast because it was too hot, you know, and I didn't want to leave out too late because I gotta give myself time to go to the train station. Yeah, I made it to the meetup station. I'm gonna go use the bathroom and then meet up with the peeps. It's about 7:14 now. Alright, let's go. I don't like this bathroom. This bathroom is old as fuck. But at least it doesn't have the squat toilet. Nicolette is over there. Nicolette. Anyways, my face is oily.
This one bun me at the beach, you know what I'm look.
You look the same though.
You have to talk about my body part.
Okay.
Where are you? You record the pod?
Yeah, Nicolette is behind. We didn't get the memo. Apparently it's the jeans day and we wore formal work clothes. Anyways, we're gonna meet the bus, I think. And then we walk 3-hour journey.
Last year to do a camp.
Okay. Oh. I can't see. Yeah, that do. That 3 hours.
I'm not going to walk around.
Not gonna.
Yeah, whatever.
I think. Anyways, see you guys later. We're gonna put on our camp clothes. My top is so big. Damn. Let's trade. They got the same size for everyone. I'm vlogging.
You're what?
I'm vlogging. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to where the rest of the peeps are. We have a pit stop.
I'm currently back at the bus, guys.
Okay. This is huge. After hours, on top of hours of traveling, we finally made it to the place that we're staying in Nagano. I have a headache because we could not eat on the bus, so I was super hungry, and then it was so like, it was so long, the journey. But anyways, we ate. We had curry and rice with, I don't know, some chicken thingy and vegetables. So now we're in our room. We have to go back out soon, but let me just quickly show you guys the room tour. Nicolette is my roommate.
I'm not your roommate.
Yeah, they put us together. Anyways, let me show you guys. Okay, so when we come through the door, there is a closet area. What, there's a bug?
Insects.
Okay, this is like a tea area. We have a fridge. We have like a place to wash up. Oh, this is a toilet room. So we don't have any shower area in here. I don't even know where that is. We have the tatami room, and this is where we're gonna be sleeping, I believe. So let's see, maybe more closet space. Ooh, oh, we got sleepwear, Nicolette.
No, that's to go to the onsen.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Over here we have futons. We're gonna be sleeping on futons, but it's just us, so we can double up. Yeah, only 2 people. And yeah, that's it. Oh, let me show you guys outside. So we have a nice view of nature. They're very nice.
Is there slippers there you can put on?
Okay.
Or that's for inside? I don't think so.
Oh, they would have put it here if it was.
I think,
Yeah, it's probably outside. This place is really nice.
No, in the morning I was fix it up when I...
Okay, guys. All right, so we gotta go get ready to go back outside. Guys, so that's it for now. We gotta head to work. Bye. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the room. Hi. Yeah, they left us. We don't even know where we're going. Cause this place is huge, yo. Very huge. I like it though. So we get our own little private area away from the kids. Anyways, bye guys. Look at this. Really nice place. A lot of nature too. Is this a lot? Oh, this is like, where did I go?
You told me on my backside, listen.
Representing, the Jamaicans representing.
That's right.
Yes.
Backside. That's what tell me, you know.
Anyway, so we're gonna be presenting
Backside.
about Jamaica.
Listen,
We are walking through the forest. We're gonna try and go view some fireworks. So we're walking there, and we have to walk through forest. I'm tired. The moon looks nice right here. Walking through the jungle. There is no street lights. So we have to be using our flashlights or actual flashlight or our phone flashlight. Nice.
why did you call my name?
Oh, stop here. Nice. Yeah. guys, so we made it back to the hotel. We are so tired because we got up from about 4 a.m. this morning and we have been working straight through. So we're gonna go, well, trying to get energy to get up and go shower. We have to use an onsen, so I'm gonna show you guys the onsen later on if I can, if it's empty, because if you know onsen is like hot spring, so it's usually you usually have to go in fully naked. So yeah, so if somebody's in there, I'm not recording obviously, but yeah, I'll let you guys see. My head be looking like a rasta gal. My big ass top. This is what they gave me to work in. It's very big. Alright guys, so I'm in the onsen. So let me just quickly record before anybody comes. So this is the onsen. So when you enter an onsen, you have to actually wash off your body first, and then you go in and soak your body for as long as you want. Yeah, so this is where all the female teachers will be taking a bath. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready. Peace. In the woods, we're doing a nature walk where we're gonna be finding clues, and the kids will be answering questions. They're so cool. Okay, so there's a clue. What is this? Water bottle.
What's that? Water bottle? Okay, question. Oh, okay, it's a math question. Guys, you good? So if this plus times this equals 4 and this times this equals 14, what is this?
So what is a triangle? The answer
S?
is 7.
Is that an S?
Clue is S. Yeah, S. Okay. We're looking for an S clue and we saw this. Yeah, this is beautiful. So I wonder where the next clue is. This view. Alright, come on guys, let's go. Campfire. Clap, clap. So it is day 3 in Nagano and we are leaving right now. Well, we're not leaving, we have like a half day here, so we have some activities to do and then we're gonna head home, so back to Kanto area. So anyways guys, so I want to thank you so much for watching this vlog. Like, I did so many things this week, but thank you guys for supporting me and I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like and comment. Bye. Man-made lake.